Cleaning your baby's ears is an essential part of their hygiene routine, but it is important to do it carefully. The ear canal is delicate, and improper cleaning can lead to discomfort or even injury. Here are simple, safe, and effective ways to clean your baby's ears while ensuring their ear health. Take a clean cloth and wrap it on your finger. Start by gently wiping your baby's outer ear with a soft washcloth. And wipe the visible part of the ear, including the ear flap and behind the ear. This helps remove dirt and oils. Be sure not to put the cloth inside the ear canal. Take a cotton bud and gently clean the ear canal of your baby ear for removing extra wax. Make sure it is comfortable for your baby. After cleaning, make sure to dry your baby's ear gently with a soft towel. You can dab the outer ear to remove any remaining moisture. Avoid rubbing the ear, as this can irritate the sensitive skin around the ear. Keeping the ear dry helps prevent infection. Cleaning your baby's ears with olive oil is a natural and gentle method. Lay your baby on their side so the ear that needs cleaning is facing up. Using a clean dropper, gently place 1 drop of warm olive oil into the ear. Keep your baby in this position for 1 to 2 minutes to allow the oil to work. Afterwards, use an earwax remover to gently remove the softened wax from your baby's ear. This will help clean the ear safely and effectively. You can use a cotton swab to clean the outer parts of the ear and around the opening of the ear canal. Be very gentle and avoid pushing the swab inside, as this can cause injury. Never use a cotton swab with pressure inside a baby's ear. Inserting objects into the ear canal can push wax deeper, damage the eardrum, or cause injury to the sensitive skin inside the ear. The ear canal naturally produces earwax, which serves to protect the ear from dust, dirt, and bacteria. An earwax removal tool safely removes excess wax, reducing discomfort and the risk of ear infections without causing harm to delicate ears. Ogi Bear Baby Nose Cleaner, an earwax removal tool combines a nasal cleaner and an earwax remover in one tool, making it convenient for parents to address both nose and ear hygiene. It features soft, flexible tips that are specifically designed for delicate baby skin. It ensures gentle cleaning without causing discomfort or harm. It helps to remove excess ear wax, reducing the risk of ear infections caused by wax buildup and moisture retention. By following these steps, you can keep your baby's ears clean without causing harm. This will help keep your baby's ears healthy and free of irritation.